Spectrum's cable is not coming into the house. The cable seems to be broken somewhere. So Spectrum has to dig a new line and put down a new cable in order for the signal to come into the house. And Spectrum insisted that all I had to do was send me a little self-install kit and I could do all this work by myself when it's seriously broken. Their system simply doesn't work at Spectrum, and they expect me to do all the work myself. Me with muscular dystrophy, I can't possibly do that. Here's a man in his 30s. I mean, it's even more than he can do, he said. He's going to have to get a professional company to come in here and relay the lines, and they expect me to do all this by myself. They have very unreasonable expectations at Spectrum. I mean, look at this. I'm supposed to be doing all of that? Very unreasonable expectations. I bet they'll be working for hours. I bet he'll be working for hours trying to get this installed from Spectrum. They're just unreasonable over there.